What if I told you that you can create a complete viral video in less time than it takes to drink a cup of coffee? No complicated editing, no expensive software, and no professional experience needed. Just one idea, and AI does the rest. Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where we explore the smartest AI tools to help you create better content faster. Today, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut's AI video generator to turn a simple idea into a fully edited video with scenes, voiceover, media, and effects automatically. This is one of the easiest ways beginners can start creating YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, or even full YouTube videos without spending hours editing. Step 1. Open CapCut AI Video Studio. First, open CapCut. On the home screen, look for the Create with AI option and tap on Video Studio. A new window will pop up. From here, you will see the AI Video Maker platform, which is designed to help you create engaging videos with the help of AI. At the top, you will notice a text box where you can type your ideas. Below that, you will see different sections and presets that make the process fast, fun, and easy. Let us start with the Trending section. In this section, you will see Trending Inspiration, which includes a collection of popular AI templates, styles, and avatars that many creators are currently using. This is a great way to get creative ideas for viral videos. Step 2. Select an AI template. Now, let us go to AI templates. Simply point your mouse over a template to preview the animation and style. For example, I will hover over a few of these.
They say, if you drive down the back roads of Butler County, Alabama, late at night, you'll see him. A tall, white figure, part man, part rabbit, standing just beyond the tree line.
In a quiet town, nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Sarah. She had just lost her job at the local bakery.
Once you find the template that you like, simply click Use this template. After selecting a template, you will notice something helpful. The prompt used for that template automatically appears in the text box along with the pre-selected style, voice, and video duration. This makes the process much faster and very beginner-friendly. Here you can change the visual style of your video. Feel free to explore and select the one that best fits your content. Remember, the goal is to create something fun, eye-catching, and engaging. If you want, you can also add an AI avatar. Avatars are great if you want a virtual presenter or character explaining your content. You can pick from different personalities depending on your content style. Step 3. Set video format and generate first draft. Next, you can set the video duration and aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok. You can also choose whether you want to create a short clip or a full-length video depending on your content needs. After that, select the voice for your video. You can pick from a wide range of AI voices, from professional narrators to energetic or friendly styles. If you're unsure, you can always preview the voice before generating the final video. Don't worry if you're not certain about these settings yet. You can always adjust them later to better fit your final output. Once everything looks good, tap the Send button. CapCut will now process your prompt and generate the key elements of your video. Once the processing is done, you will see the key elements generated by CapCut. From here, you can customize different parts of the video. Simply select any parameters to edit or adjust. Next, let us look at the scene media. From here, you can select whether you want to use images or videos for your scenes. Choose whichever fits your content better. Below that, you can also select the platform where your video will be posted, such as TikTok or Instagram. This helps CapCut optimize the video for that specific platform. Step 4. Generate full storyboard. In the text box, you can also add extra ideas or instructions. Once you are done, tap the Generate button. CapCut will now process everything and create a full storyboard for your video. After the generation is complete, you can preview the result. You will notice that the preview quality is lower because it has not been exported yet.
The air grows thick with secrets and the smell of decay. Blackwood Manor, a place where logic goes to die and legends take root. The locals speak of a restless spirit haunting these cypress groves and tilted graves then.
Step 5. Replace or improve AI scenes. If you are not satisfied with any generated media, do not worry. You can easily replace the scene. Just click on the media scene and tap Replace. From here, you can generate another AI media. You can edit the text prompt to get the image you want. Be specific with your prompt to get better results. Step 6. Export or edit like a pro. If you are happy with the result, you can export the video right away by clicking the export button. If you want more control and customization, tap Edit More. This will take you to the main editing interface of CapCut. From here, you will see all the media files generated by AI already placed on the timeline. Now you can fully customize your video. You can delete unwanted parts, rearrange clips, and add effects or transitions. For example, you can customize the text by tapping the text layer, going to templates, and selecting a style you like. This is a simple way to make your video look more dynamic and professional. You can also change the voice character. Select the voice layer and go to voice character to select another voice. You can preview each voice before selecting the one you like. Once you are happy with your final video, it's time to export it. First, click Export, then choose Download. Here, you can select the resolution, quality, format, and frame rate that best fits your needs. After adjusting these settings, click Export again to start the rendering process. Once the export is complete, click Download to save the video directly to your PC. Now your video is ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, or any platform you like.
Deep in the South, the air grows thick with secrets and the smell of decay. Blackwood Manor, a place where logic goes to die and legends take root. The locals speak of a restless spirit haunting these cypress groves and tilted graves then. I heard it, a rhythmic thumping from beneath the cold, damp earth. A shadow draped in vintage lace. She was watching me from the darkness, one look into the abyss, and you realize the abyss is looking back. The swamp itself seemed to bleed as sickly. Supernatural neon light. She vanished as quickly as a dream, leaving only the cold mist behind. Some stories are never truly over. They just wait for a new witness.
Step 7. Alternative method, without templates. Now let me show you another fun and easy way to create a video without using a pre-made AI template. This method gives you complete creative control over your content while still using CapCut's AI to save time. First, go back to the AI video maker. Instead of selecting a template, click on the text box at the top and type any keywords or topic you want your video to cover. For example, let us try future technologies that will change our daily lives. You can also add a short description or extra instructions to help the AI understand exactly what you want in your scenes. Next, select your preferred style for the video. This could be cinematic, modern, futuristic, or documentary style, depending on your content. Then choose the voice you want. CapCut provides multiple AI voices ranging from professional narrators to casual conversational tones. After that, set the video ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok, and your desired duration for the clip. Once everything is set, click the Send button. CapCut will now generate the key elements of your video based on your prompt. 9:16 for TikTok, and your desired duration for the clip. Once everything is set, click the Send button. CapCut will now generate the key elements of your video based on your prompt. Once it is done, you can customize it further if you want. But now, let us export the video first so we can preview it in full quality. Now it's time to export your video. Click the Export button. Here, you can select the name, resolution, quality, format, and frame rate that best fits your needs. After setting these options, click Export again to render your final video. Once the export is complete, click Download to save the video directly to your PC.
Imagine waking up in a world where the impossible is everyday reality, a skyline defined by innovation and boundless potential. Technology is no longer just a tool. It has become an intuitive extension of our existence, bridging the gap between thought and action. Healthcare is being revolutionized by personalized robotics, ensuring medical wellness is always within reach, right at home. The future is no longer a distant dream. It is a reality we build today. The future is now.
And that is it. You have just learned how to create fun, engaging, and viral-style videos using the AI video generator from CapCut. As you can see, with just a simple idea and a few clicks, you can create professional videos without spending hours editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to Techie Dialogue. It really helps the channel grow and tells the YouTube algorithm to show these videos to more tech enthusiasts like us. Thanks again for watching. Keep creating, keep learning, and I will see you in the next one.